Did you know that there are 19 free water stations all around of Rarotonga?
These refill stations are located all along the main road of Rarotonga and provide UV treated water,
which are checked and tested once a week by a tōtātou vai officer.
But wait,
Before refilling your bottle,
Be sure to look out for tōtātou vai's safe to drink certificate.
If you see a red out of order sign in place, hold off on that drink. That station will require some retests.
not keen on refilling using the tubes? No worries, they can be easily detached for you to refill straight from the tap.
by using these free refill stations, you not only save money in your pockets,
But also help reduce the amount of plastic bottles that are ending up in our
Landfill and ocean. Ako man ako.
Akaiti mai!
Tātai!
Tāanga aka o ia.
Yay!